Hi Joshua, Janus here. So thanks for the extension on the project. I have been doing or trying to do the Segway, the balancing, and I want to show you that first, and then after that I'll show you my lab 8, which I showed you in class but it's not been registered, so I'll just show it here as well. Alright, so for the Segway, I have had some trouble, and I'll show you here what it looks like on my diagram. So right here, before I sent the signal to the motor, I have just put a gain on it so that I can turn on and off the motor. And when I have that on, everything seems completely fine. When I move around my Segway, you'll see here that the angle from the gyro moves as expected, and the motor input, which is this one, is as I would expect it as well. Kind of a steady, nice curve. But then as soon as I turn this gain value for the motor input on, it just begins flickering and jiggering all over the place. So now I'll try this to show you how it looks like. So as you can see, it's not stable. It's not very that stable. And when you look here, as soon as I turned it on, it just becomes completely flickery, even though the angle from the gyro now says 0. You can see it flickers completely, so there's no stable balancing for it. Okay, I'll just turn this off again. My diagram looks like this. I haven't changed too much. In here, if we go up, I've put this in, and then I made a bias, which I have tested. Let's see where it goes. Which I have tested by using this angle scope, and that seems perfectly well. I have used the following values for the different gains. So, and by looking at the Wikipedia page, it seems like this would be right. So I don't really understand what is going wrong for me. Yeah, so I'm afraid this is the best I can do right now. I hope you at least see that I tried. Okay, going on to lab number 8. Yeah, I just forgot to show you before that I exchanged this encoder block and the block that sends the voltage to the motor for the one that we had in the previous lab. And in here I changed this value to the 9 volt instead of the 5 volts. So this is my lab number 8. It works like this. Yep.